Hello students. Today we're diving into something super important in English: prepositions. Prepositions are small words, but trust me, they make a huge difference in meaning. Let's explore some common prepositions with examples. The ball is in the box. Simple, right? Now what about this? The ball is on the box. And here's another. The ball is under the box. What about between? The ball is between two boxes. And don't forget, the ball is behind the box. Finally, the ball is in front of the box. Let's review quickly. Prepositions show us place, time, or direction. Examples: I am at school, she is in the park, and he is walking to the station. Easy, right? Great job, everyone. Practice these prepositions daily, and your English will sound more natural. Don't forget to like and follow for more lessons.